Hi friends, today Isha is showing us how we can change background on keypress. Okay, today my project is Ninjago. I named it Ninjago because I'm a big fan of ninjas. In this project, I will show you where you get the block from which section. First, the when run block is default and it comes by itself. You cannot find it in any of these sections. The set background to section comes from the block comes from the world part, the world section, because in the world section there are blocks that are unique and cannot be found in other sections, like set background to that we used right now. And then we always need a sprite in our project to make it more pretty and elaborative. So I used this sprite that I uploaded, and we find the make new sprite block from the sprite section. It's on the top. And then we have the set size block that we find from also sprites, because this is also related to our sprites, so that's why. And then we have this say block, as it's also for sprites, it is also found in the sprite section where the rest are found from. But here comes the when right pressed, or when right, when up, when down, when left block comes from events, because it is a special event that happens in our code. And over here we also use the background. Let's see how our project is. We press right. Now we run it. We press right. Here's a desert. Over here it's their monastery. This is the Destiny's Bounty. And this is the city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.